Hello, welcome back. This is Bring Me Funkos over here. Today we are doing another video and another unboxing. This time it's the Fantastic Four Marvel Collector's Corps from Amazon. And if you don't know the next team yet, I will announce it right now. If you don't want to know, skip a couple seconds. Three, two, one. Blah. Anyway, it's gonna be Infinity Saga. Almost forgot what it was. Yeah. So anyways, let's just open it. Go through here. Alright. Okay. Here is the box. Right away, the box says Fantastic Four, Marvel Collector Corps. I don't know, just the top or the bottom side. There we go. It's sealed. I always check for that. Make sure no one open it or mess with it or tamper with it. So, at the front of the box says the Fantastic Four Marvel Collector Corps right away. This side of the box is Marvel. Same stuff. Oh, on top, Fantastic Four logo. So let's go open it. This box, I'm not too excited over it. I'm more excited on the next box, the Infinity Saga. I just started subscribing, I think, November. Right away, as soon as you open it, there is a coming soon. Oh, well, here you go. There it is. That's the Infinity Saga coming soon box. This is the items inside this box right now. Let's go through it. First things first, the Fantastic Four t-shirt. Open this and check it out. Oh, I love this t-shirt. Oh yes, yep. I'm gonna wear this a lot. The world's greatest comic heroes, Fantastic Four. I wonder if this t-shirt glows. Glow in the dark. I don't think so. But here's the t-shirt. There you go. That is the t-shirt. Right here you see the whole thing. Pretty cool, huh? So, anyways, that's the t-shirt. I'll be wearing that pretty soon. Next up is a sticker decal of Human Torch with the Fantastic Four logo design. So you can tell right there. It's pretty neat. I might put this on my car. And the pops. Let's see. First, we'll do. Oh, check that out. Totally forgot about this one. Ooh, be careful. I love this pin. How can you not love that pin? It's Doctor Doom. Doctor Doom pin. If the camera can focus, then you can see. Come on. Focus. There we go. That's the Doctor Doom pin. How can you not love that pin? Let me take it out the plastic actually. You guys can see it better. How can do it? There's the Doom. Pretty cool. Pretty cool pin. I love it. Love it. Hopefully I'm focused. So next up is the okay, for a second I thought like Is he missing a right hand? But the box was blocking it. So here is Mr. Fantastic. Mr. Fantastic. There he is. His long arms, stretched arms. Here's the back of the box. For sure, a lot of you have seen this already. Top and the bottom. Last but not the least is, oh, I thought I had another pin there. Is the Human Torch. Mr. Human Torch. There you go. This one's the glow-in-the-dark version. I have the common one somewhere. This is the glow-in-the-dark version, guys. So we're gonna go check the glow out too. Why not? Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Just focus it so you guys can see it clear. Human Torch. Same box, just a glow, and there's that collector corpse sticker. So, anyways, where's my black light? Let's go check this out. Give me one moment. I'm gonna go turn the lights off. Ooh, black light. I don't know if you can see me. I'm a ghost. We'll go light up Human Torch. On all angles too. So I feel like this is gonna have a great glow on it. There's a lot of glow parts on this. Ooh, I think the eyes glows too, guys. Ooh, it's about to be cool. Look at that. Look at that glow. That's awesome. That is awesome. Just look at that right there. Boom. It's pretty awesome. It's a red glow. The eyes glows and the hair. That's cool. Sweet. I'm gonna go turn back the light on. So there you have it, guys. Got the Human Torch glow. Mr. Fantastic. What else? T-shirt. Let me show you this t-shirt one more time. Pretty cool t-shirt. This awesome pin that I freaking love. That for some reason it won't focus unless I do it manually like this. Focus. He hates me. Oh, he hates me. There we go. Doom, doom, doom. And a sticker. I bet you it's gonna focus. Hey, there it is. Boom. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Shout out to the Funko Club. Funko Club. Come join us. If you guys got any questions about the club, just hit me up. If you are from Arizona, you will get special perks from me. But besides that, thank you for watching. Focus. There we go. Again, this is Bring Me Funko. Appreciate the support. Keep watching, like, comment, subscribe, follow everywhere. Peace out. Have a good one.